Good morning everyone. I am Mr. Mangrasha. I am going to teach something about percentage in this chapter. Okay. Do you know what is percentage? Percentage or percent is the combination of two words, that is per and cent. And you may ask me, sir, what do you mean by the word percent? Percent means per cent and cent means 100. So percentage means out of 100. Percentage means out of 100. You must have heard that someone has told you, I have secured 70% mark in exam. I have secured 70% mark in exam. What does that mean? If I tell you that I have secured 70% mark, you can imagine that I have secured 70 out of 100. So percentage is a kind of fraction where the denominator shows the total, that is 100, and the numerator shows the part we require. So 70 is the part I have secured and 100 is the total mark. When the total mark, the denominator is 100, the numerator shows the percentage. You may ask me, sir, my mother tells me to secure 95% mark. So what does that mean? Should I secure 95 mark? No, that doesn't exactly mean that. If your mother tells you to secure 95%, then she is ultimately saying that you have to secure 100 out of 95. You have to secure 100 out of 95. So if the full mark is 100 and then you have to secure 95. But what if the full mark is 200? What if the full mark is 200? If the full mark is 200, that means 2 times of 100. You have to secure the full mark, 2 times of the mark required. That is 190 upon 200. Okay, that is the ratio. So you may ask me, sir, what is the relationship between 95 upon 100 and 190 to 90 upon 200? These both are equivalent percentage. Okay, these both are equivalent. So you may ask me, sir, before some time you told me that percentage and fractions are equal. Yes, both are equal. Tell me a fraction. Suppose the fraction is 1 upon 2. A fraction is 1 upon 2. So can it be represented as percentage? Yes. How? Look at it. 2 is the full mark and 1 is the required amount. So if I secure 1 out of 2, then how much I shall secure out of 100? That means this 2 became 100 and 1 will also become something. Yes or no? 2 become 100 and 1 will become something. 2 is 100 is 50 times of 2 and the 50 times of 1 is 50. So I shall secure 50 out of 100 and it will be called as 50%. It will be called as 50%. Okay. The next concept is, I think you got what is percentage. The next concept is converting any fraction into percentage. To convert a fraction into percentage. Can you easily convert a fraction into percentage? If yes, then you are very good. And if you cannot, let me tell you how to convert a fraction into percentage. Suppose a fraction is 3 upon 5. Suppose a fraction is 3 upon 5 and I have to convert into percentage. How should I do it? I should multiply by 100 with it and put a percentage sign along with it. So what will be the required percentage? This will be 3 upon 5 into 100 upon 1 percentage. 5 1s are 5, 5 20s are 100. So required percentage will be 3 into 20 percentage, that is 60%. So 3 upon 5 in percentage form will be 60%. Okay, so 3 upon 5 in percentage form will be 60%. There is another concept to convert percentage into fraction or decimal. To convert a percentage into fraction or decimal. Suppose, so if I tell you that I have secured 85% in my half yearly exam, that is, I have secured 85%. As I told before, if the percentage sign is demolished, then it will become 100 at the denominator. The numerator will be the same number, that is 85, and the denominator will be 100. This is the fractional form of the percent. So you can tell me, sir, you have told to write decimal form of the percentage. Yes, convert into decimal form. There are 2 zeros here at the denominator, so its decimal form will be the decimal point will come 2 places before, that is 0.85. This is the decimal form and this is the fractional form. Okay, this is the decimal form and this is the fractional form. How to find out the percentage? How to find out percentage? How to find out percentage? Whenever I was in class 8, so when I was in class 8, I had secured 450 marks out of 600. Out of 600. That will be a bit easier. Let's take another example. I had secured 460 marks out of 600. So if someone asks me how much percentage did you secure, first should my answer. My answer will be 460 upon 600 into 100. That is 0 cancel. 2 3s are 2, 23s are 7.66 into 10, that is 76.66%. Let me explain how it happened. It's a very peculiar thing. I had secured 460 marks. That means the required amount is 460. And percentage means out of 100 or out of anything. I had secured 460 marks out of 600. And you all know that the mark 600 or the total mark represents the denominator. The total mark, that is 600, represents the denominator, and the mark secured by me, that is 460, represents the numerator. So where are numerators and denominator used? These are used in fractions. So in order to convert a fraction into percentage, as earlier I have told you, we need to multiply 100 and a percentage sign should be there. That is, after solving the problem, we found that the result is 76.66%. Okay. Suppose you may ask me, sir, I have secured 3 out of 50. 3 out of 50. So what percentage it is? Look at the board. You have secured 3 out of 50. In order to convert the fraction into percentage, convert it into 100 and put a percentage sign. After solving it, you can find that 3 upon 50 into 100 upon 1 into percentage. That is 51 jar, 52 jar. It is 6%. So I have secured 6% mark. Okay, this is a little bit concept about percentage and the conversion of fraction into percentage and percentage into fractions. In the very next class, I shall explain some new concepts along with some new questions. The questions which will be helpful for you at the next stages. Okay, thank you everyone.